So just who is the greatest investor in history? Is it Warren Buffett? Is it George Soros? Could it be Carl Icahn? Well, it turns out the top dog distinction belongs to a former mathematics professor most investors have never heard of. His name is Jim Simons, and he's the founder of Renaissance Technologies. The Wall Street Journal's Gregory Zuckerman called Renaissance, quote, the greatest money-making machine in Wall Street history. Since 1988, Renaissance's flagship medallion fund has generated an average annual return of 66% before fees. This extraordinary performance means that a single dollar invested in the fund in 1988 would have grown to $27,000 by the end of 2018 net of fees. That dwarfs the $107 return from Berkshire Hathaway and a $20 return from investing in the S&P 500. So how has Renaissance fared during the recent coronavirus crash? Just fine, thank you. According to the Wall Street Journal again, Renaissance's medallion fund is on track for its best year ever, up a stunning 24% through April 14th. Simons launched Renaissance Technologies back in 1978. He chalked up some early successes with some simple technical strategies. His breakthrough year came later in 1990 when his staff convinced him to translate his investment decisions into algorithms. The medallion fund promptly scored a gain of 55.9% the following year, and Renaissance never looked back. So what is Renaissance's secret sauce? Well, it's harnessing the vast processing and intellectual power of his staff. Using that, Renaissance sifts through the market noise and finds repeating patterns that are statistically significant. It then trades these patterns in a short-term quantitative trading strategy across a wide range of asset classes, including stocks, bonds, futures, commodities, and currencies. Value investors are lucky if they double their money in 2 years. But a quant trader who makes 5% on a trade every 2 or 3 days consistently will end up far richer. Now, 20 years ago, only the world's top hedge funds had the computer power to create such quant trading systems. Today, I have access to software that can develop a wide range of quant strategies from my PC without the need for an army of PhDs. Specifically, I've recently developed a short-term swing trading system. Now, swing trading focuses on generating big stock market profits with a holding period of between 2 and 10 days. It makes money by capturing the bulk of a stock's short-term move. It allows you to make money on a stock whether you bet on it or against it. And it turbocharges your profits with options. If you want to learn more about the Oxford Swing Trader, just click on the link